Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a quick after dark kitchen clean with me. I am so excited to be sharing this with you. So grab a snack, sit back and enjoy the video.
Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights.
So what you're seeing right now is kind of my every night routine. This is how I leave the kitchen at night before I go to bed. And I'm just cleaning off the countertops. I'm going to do the dishes and also the floors. Leave me a comment down below on how you clean your kitchen at night. Do you do the whole thing, including the floors, or what's your routine? I would love to know, so let me know in the comments down below. Also, while you're down there, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe.
Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down.
So with being in a new house, I went ahead and went to Costco and got the Costco size of the paper towels, and this was kind of a conundrum, as you will see me kind of struggle with this, but it didn't fit. Like, I couldn't put it on with the coffee maker there, so I had to actually just move the entire thing off and then back. But while that was gone, I went ahead and just wiped down the entire countertops instead of going around the coffee maker. Next, I'm gonna do the floors, so I'm just taking my Dyson with the soft roller brush attachment and vacuuming the floors before I mop. This was necessary because the other day I spilled some coconut milk all over the floor, so I just wanted to make sure that they were nice and clean and not sticky from that. Alright guys, well that is all for today. This is the after and it's so satisfying in my opinion. I love going to bed with a clean kitchen. But thank you so much for watching. Hit that thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss out on any other videos. And I can't wait to see you guys in my next one. Bye!